Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'm going to show you how to prepare draw soup, a favorite of okay. Without wasting much of your time, let me quickly introduce you to my ingredients. I will start by showing you my fresh fish. This is ice fish. Draw soup is very sweet when I use ice fish to cook it. And here is my crawfish. And this is okra. Here's my periwinkle. And this, my seasoning and salt. Here's my fresh pepper, already grated. Here's my palm oil. And my chopped onion. This is my meat, cow beef. This one is cow skin. And this is adusa leaf. Here is my overall. I call this overall because this is overall, the intestine, you know. It will make the soup to be yummy. Alright, let's start by steaming our fresh ingredients. By doing so, I will have to pour my fish in my pot. Okay. What I will add here is onion. I want to steam my fish now. And pepper. And salt. And seasoning. I have to add my seasoning to make it tasty. Then small water. Okay. Then I will also steam our meat in this other pot. I have to add this one because both of them will get come together. Unlike fish that is softer. So we'll apply onion here, add a little onion and pepper. And cover it for some minutes. Let's see how our fish and our meat are doing inside the pots. I'll start with this, my fish. Wow, this one is okay, so no need to steam it again. Have to put on my gas. The fish is okay. Let me check how the meat is. Wow, the meat is steaming very well. What I will do now, I will add my cow skin. Then add my salt. Now, when I was adding other ingredients, I didn't add this salt because I did not want the meat to over strong. But now, since it is soft now, I can add my salt and a little onion again to make it spicy. I will have to steam this for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Alright, let's check again. Alright. This is the final stage. The meat is done. I'm going to start our cooking properly now. Alright. Alright, let's start our cooking now. Here we go. I will bleach my oil first. The pot is not dry. I'll give it a time. I'll wait for the pot to get dry. I will now pour my oil. I want to bleach this oil so I can use it and fry my fish before starting cooking, because this ice fish, I like it when I fry it. Onion. Start bleaching my oil. I add my onion, then my fish. There you go. You guys keep cooking. It's not going to leave you. And turn it gently. Okay. That's it. Now add my meat. Cover it for some minutes. What I will do now is to turn it again gently so that the oil will absorb all my fish and my meat. So I will now add my fish water. And a cup of water. Cup of water and my crayfish. And leave it for some minutes again before adding any other thing. Time around, I'm going to add my okra. And my periwinkle. getting there. So what I will do now, let me taste the soup and see if there is enough pepper. If there is no pepper, then I have to add pepper. Wow. Hey, this soup. Ah, I told you, I love this soup. Oh. Let me taste soup. I see. Okay, I need to add pepper. 1 spoon of pepper, depending on your choice. If you are this type that love pepper, you can add as many as you want. What I will do now is to add my seasoning. Okay, that's all. I'll leave it for 2 minutes again. So now I will put my adusa leaf now. The last thing. Our okra soup is ready to serve. Bring your swallow. Let's go together. Got the fish, the oil, the follow. Ooh. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So let me know where you're watching from, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for commenting. I want to tell you that I love you all. Now I'm going to serve my soup now. Come and join me.